jump over the Himalayas, skip the Spanish steps, and dip my toes in the Blue Nile. I'm gonna see places I've never seen and meet people I've never known, Blacklanders, Indonesians, Ethiopians. Admiro los albineses y los chinitos. And who are those giants? Adios, los Samoans. Now speak many tongues like the Bible. Mucho gusto. Yo soy Rosalinda. Yo soy Rosalinda. Come and Telugu. Yo sono Rosalinda. Jumbo. Me, Rosalinda, from America. Shh. Somebody might hear me.
Somebody might mug you.
I'm too fast.
Jeez, I wish we had a stopwatch. It's hard with this alarm clock. Which way are you going tonight?
The northern route, over the pole.
Say hello to the Eskimos.
Please, Jesse, hurry up.
Okay. And the little hand hits the 12. On your mark, get set, go.
There's Fresno, San Francisco, Portland.
Weird. Hey.
Psst. Rosalinda.
Yes?
Rosalinda. I know you got things on your mind with your big race on Saturday. Bro, a man can only be ignored so much. Listen, Rosalinda. Mi voy a declarar. See, I'm going to declare myself. Rosalinda, a poem by Rafael Antonio Pina. You are once. You are twice. You are 3 times a lady. And that is why you'll always be my one and only baby. When I see you running through the Barrio, with your legs so brown and fine. Oh, Rosalinda, won't you be mine?
Oh my gosh.
Hi, Rosie! Don't be mean!
Her name's not Rosie, so stop calling her Rosie. She's not going to answer to Rosie.
Oh, you again.
I'm Rosalinda. Quick, somebody stop me. I'm about to declare myself.
Listen, you...
My name is Jessie. I live here too, you know.
Where's Rosalinda?
She's not at home. She's running. She's in training. And she doesn't talk to boys when she's training. Hey, Raphael.
Yeah?
You know your poem?
Yeah?
It wasn't bad.
Thanks. Good night, Jess.
Good night. Raphael Antonio Pina.
Mexico City, Acapulco, Puerto Vallarta, La Paz, Santa Rosalia, Ensenada, Tijuana, San Diego, Orange County, Los Angeles, Castro Street. How'd I do?
Huh? Oh, I lost track.
Okay, one more time.
And go.
Santa Barbara, San Jose, San Francisco, Seattle, Portland, Vancouver, Alaska, LeBaron Street, Russia.
Buenos dias, Maria Pia.
Buenos dias, Don Amor.
It's a beautiful day con mucho viento. Some people call it the Santa Ana wind, some people call it the Devil's wind, some people call it El Sirocco, and some...
See, it's a very windy day. Rosalinda! Running, that's all that girl thinks about. And my stomach's secreting the acid all morning.
Running, that's all that Bobo and Pepe can think about as well. Wake up, sniff the air, and off they go. Perhaps they smell something in Miss Amador's rose garden. A dead bird? No. Perhaps she's making chicharrones. No. Perhaps it's that patch of wild peppermint. They say the scent is very invigorating. That's right where La Rosalinda is.
Dona Luisa, my daughter does not have the custom to go smelling things in other people's garden.
Oh.
She runs to practice.
Oh.
She runs because this Saturday she's entered in Our Lady of 1,000 Sorrows Marathon.
No. See?
See, Father Estefan himself went from door to door to collect money for her entrance fee.
Girl, he never came to my door. Never asked me for money.
300 young girls from all the Catholic dioceses in California. I don't know what those priests could be thinking. All that running shakes up a woman's insides.
Never came to my door. Never asked me for money. This Saturday? That's tomorrow.
Yes, they're gonna have to run from Elysian Park to the Mission downtown.
Oh. That's far. A Bobo could run that far.
It's not for dogs. It's for Catholic girls.
But it is important to give.
To give. I cannot give her all the things she wants. I'm a woman alone. But if her sainted father were here with us today,
But it is important to give.
to give, see, to give. It's easy for you to say, and for him, my husband, Charlando up there, playing the big macho with all the angels and the saints. Does he listen when Rosalinda says she wants to be educated? She wants to see the world? Does he lift a finger? No. Se hace sordo. He doesn't even hear me. Yes. Rosalinda knows how to work. She gets that from me.
She looks so pretty working at the Dairy Queen in her white uniform, just like a nurse. She gives me free cones, soft serve, she calls it. She goes up to that big steel machine, pushes that red button, and zops! Out comes the ice cream like a clean white snake. She twirls the cone round and round. She never spills a drop. And then she stops, just like that. She never spills a drop. And she leans over the counter, gives me a big smile, and says, "This is for you, Doña Luisa." That girl knows how to give.
See. Yes, so. Father Estefan put her in this race. I say, can you help me? Just think, if she wins El Camino tomorrow, she'll get to go to Rome with all expenses paid. And him, he didn't even help me with the entrance fee or the Nike running shoes. Father Estefan himself had to go door to door.
I swear he never came to mind.
She has to run like a dog to get somewhere in this life. My stomach! Jesse!
Run like a dog.
Jesse, the Rolades!
Can't find them, Mom.
Maria de Jesus, look at you. Do something, comb your hair. Stand up straight, be a senorita.
Please, stop calling me that. It's weird. I was real cute till I was 12. People always pinching my cheeks. Ay, que preciosa. Ay, que belleza. Now there's all this pressure.
Run like a dog.
Yeah, far away. Wouldn't do any good though. It's like some kind of contagious disease. Everywhere you go, people are telling you to comb your hair and stand up straight. I try, but my hair's always falling in my face, and my body's just got like this terminal slouch. It's like I got a hunchback's blood, or
Jesse, what is this porqueria under your bed?
maybe I wasn't meant to be a senorita.
Dr. Pepper, Twinkies, Cheetos?